My practice is built around mutual respect, and when I feel that we're not getting that back, it's a big problem, especially preoperatively, because post-operatively a lot of things can happen. So we need to have good rapport. We need to be able to communicate effortlessly with our patients, and when we don't feel confident in that, it's better to just not continue the process. And so, we let the patient go. Hey everyone. So here I am preparing for Friday. It's Thursday night right now. I'm just looking at the schedule for tomorrow. Starts out at 8 a.m. With a lip mole excision on the right upper cutaneous lip, it looks like. Then we've got CO2 laser treatment for a scar under the nose. Then we have a lip lift, and that's followed by lip filler dissolving. Then I have a video call with someone from California who had a rhinoplasty lip lift 5 weeks ago, and that's followed by a lip lift consultation, and it looks like maybe a couple of consultations after that. So tomorrow I might go for a run in the morning and then head over to the office to be there by 8. We'll see how tomorrow goes. On my way to the park for a little run. Good morning, everybody. Hey guys, just finished my loop around part of the park. Now I'm heading back to the apartment. Gonna shower, eat breakfast, and then off to the office. Hi Lils, I love you. Have a good day. You love Daddy?
Yeah.
I love you. High five. See you later. Bye boo. Bye boo. Good morning.
Oh, are you recording?
Yeah, here we go.
This is so cool.
We're on with the GoPro.
Oh my god.
We're gonna-
Hello world.
We're gonna put you on the spot.
Oh my god.
Lower your mask.
Yeah, right.
Give us
I'm like
30,
not ready.
Give us 30 seconds about Bianca.
I love this job. I love working with Dr. Linkov. This is a great experience. And I love my cat.
What do you like to do for fun?
Lay in bed with my cat, and we watch Netflix documentaries together.
Favorite food?
Hibachi. Love me some hibachi.
Favorite color?
I've been into blue. I think this blue is rubbing off on me, honestly.
All right. Best part of working with me?
Our funny stories. We have some interesting experiences together.
The worst part?
There is no worst part of this job.
Oh, what a lie.
Always a great time at City Facial Plastics.
All right, so here we go. First case of the day, we're going to do a mole removal. You can see this is our patient, our beautiful patient, and she's got this mole on the right upper cutaneous lip that we're going to excise. And once it's out, it's going to go into this little formalin cup right there. And it's going to go off to my trusted colleague, Dr. Mudgill, for dermatopathology interpretation. You can see sort of our setup here. We've got some sutures. I like to use these tapered needles. You can see that tapered. It helps with closure. And we have our trusted nurse.
Hi everyone.
Nurse Gloria. All right, take your mask down. Give us 30 seconds about you. Just
Hey
summarize.
guys, how are you? Great to meet you. I am so excited to be here working alongside Dr. Linkov, who is absolutely the best. So come see us. Well, a little bit about me. I am a registered nurse and I have a lot of background on hair restoration surgery. That is my specialty, but I have joined Dr. Linkov and now we do a lot together and I'm growing my skill, which is absolutely amazing. Still super excited to be a part of the team.
What's your favorite food?
Oh man, I love food in general.
Couple of favorite dishes.
Okay, I'm Colombian and one of my favorite things to eat is arepas with sancocho.
Favorite color?
I have to say like a lilac color.
What's the best part of working with me?
Oh, the team.
What's the worst part of working with me?
I don't know. I can't say. I don't think I
There's
have
gotta
a
be
worst
something.
part.
There's gotta be something. They don't want to tell the truth.
No, it's not true. I really don't have a bad thing to say.
What
It's hard.
would you say is my biggest pet peeve?
Oh my God, hair on the floor. We have actually.
Let me check.
Wait. No, there's no. I have a handy tool. I have a handy.
We got a
handy tool.
Mini vacuum.
It's a little mini vacuum that picks up all of the hair.
I love hair on the head. I hate hair on the floor. The mole has been removed. All right, so here we have the CO2 laser. You can see the articulating arm. You can see all the different settings that we can choose. And so we're going to be working on under the nose area. So it's a lip lift scar that I'll be resurfacing with the CO2 laser. And it's very important when you do this to wear these nifty goggles because it helps protect, because the laser, don't want that in your eye. So this thing is a smoke evacuator. It will suck out the smoke as we're working, because if all the, you don't want to breathe in all the fumes that are coming off of the lasering. So here I am, I'll be testing the laser. So we go on ready mode, it's converging power. And then we test it on this little wooden tongue depressor. See that there? And on we go. So right there you can see where we made our lasering there. Once again. So we are done with the lasering procedure, and now we're on to a lip lift. So this patient actually flew in from Tennessee for this surgery, and you can see the philtrum, is long enough to be shortened, and we're gonna get that upper lip lifted, improve the overall shape of the upper lip. We have a little setup here going. We've got minor surgical set ready to go. All those instruments down under there, that's all gonna get organized by Gloria, and then we've got this little setup here, and this is all the stuff that we call off the table, off the field, that's not sterile except for the marking pen, which is, and this is what I use to kind of prep the patient for the procedure. And we're about to get to work. So it is, what time is it now? It's 11:25, so we're rolling along nicely. This is the last surgery for today, and a few other patients coming up later, but the last surgery is wrapping up after, once we're done with the surgery. So as you guys know, we have an operating room in our suite,
which means it's time to
and and we've got a number of people using the OR from time to time to do their surgeries. So you can take a look here, and we've got like a full-on OR suite, and we've got here Dr. Calso.
How y'all
Dr.
doing?
Sergey Calso. He's
I'm about to get my lip lift.
He's about to, yeah. You want
He's
one?
about to lift my lip.
You want
Yeah. I want my lip actually right on the bottom of the nose. I want no space here at all.
Okay, no problem. We'll pull it way up.
Because I'm tired of fillers.
Perfect story. So yeah, he does full range of plastic surgery. And what are you working on today?
So today I have liposuction. I have Brazilian butt lifts, and also I'm just taking out some staples.
Okay, all right. That's
Easy day.
That's the cherry on top at the end of a long week. Yeah. All right, man.
All right.
Awesome. Take
Good to see
care.
you.
Just show you guys where instruments get cleaned. Got Eddie here.
Hey.
What's up, man?
How are you?
Good. So we've got an autoclave. This is where you put the instruments. All right, you fire them up, and they're ready to be used for more surgery. But you got to clean it off first properly, and that's what Eddie's up to here. All right, so let's go check on our patient now. My patient's all prepped and ready for her lip lift, and we're gonna be quiet when we go in there, go see what's going on in there, and then we'll be ready to do the surgery.
Mm-hmm. Then the end of the month.
Right. That's exciting.
So the lip lift went well. We took off 5 millimeters of skin under the nose, sutured everything up correctly, and that patient did very well. Very important, I always talk about all the post-operative instructions with patients myself, because I want to make sure that they leave knowing what they need to do. They also leave with my cell phone number, which usually most people don't bother me unless they really need me, which is nice. And so now we have a little bit of a break, just had some lunch. It's already like 2:40. Waiting on a few more patients, and you see Gloria over here putting away some bins. So we got new bins. All right, so I just finished dissolving this lady's filler in her lip. She was getting it for like 10 years, so eventually it really kind of adds up. It starts to look really full, and so people come to me a lot for these lip lift surgeries, and so I like to dissolve the filler whenever possible prior to surgery. It just creates for a little bit more accuracy with the actual surgery. So we did that. It's coming next week. We're actually doing a lip lift upper eyelid combination for her. Upper eyelid blepharoplasty, that is, combo. Yeah, we'll do that with her awake in the procedure room. Next up, I'm going to do a consultation for someone interested in a lip lift, and then after that I have a video call with a patient of mine that I did a rhinoplasty lip lift combo on about a month ago, and she has since actually moved to California, so we'll see how she's doing. Yeah, we're going to wrap up early. It's the holiday coming up, so I'm going to wrap up early and go from there. Yeah, what is that? It's Labor Day, right? Yeah, Labor Day is coming up. Can't work on Labor Day. Yeah, I'll probably be working from home on stuff, but what I shouldn't be working?
No work on Labor Day. Labor Day is for free, for Day for Freedom.
I don't know how not to work. No, I don't know. Yeah, I like working. We'll probably do some computer work or something. Boom, there I am. Here we go. We're looping through the space. Looping through the space. And look at our kitchen. Nice kitchen, right? And back to the front. So just finished the lip lift consultation with the patient who's had lip filler for a number of years, really wants to get that dissolved due to lip lift surgery. I always go through the post-operative potential issues that can come up with people. I don't like when people are surprised by anything afterwards, or like, oh, I wish he told me. Yeah, so we had a situation come up today where a patient, we did in-person consultation back like a year and a half ago. She then called us back just today saying like, oh, now I want to, proceed with surgery. So we said, look, it's been a while. Let's reconnect. Bianca, what'd you tell her?
So I basically told her our policy and process. So, if a patient reaches out for more than a year ago, we would have to get another consultation set up so that we could be sure we have a game plan set up, no medical information has changed. So much can happen in a year, and this is surgery. We want to be sure everyone's safe and healthy moving forward. So it's kind of a bad sign when the patient, I guess, doesn't want to follow along with your policy, especially because it's for their safety. Who knows what theoretically could have happened if she wasn't a good candidate and we just moved forward with surgery because something changed. So it makes us a little nervous. So when we started off on that note, I knew it wasn't going to go well. We just got to lay down the law, be firm. This is our policy. It's for your safety. So when we kind of when I spoke to her and she was just aggressive about a few things, we were like, this is a bad sign. Maybe we're just not the right practice for them. So unfortunately, we did have to let go of that patient. But just something to keep in mind, I'm a person, you're a person. No one has to be aggressive, especially about a situation for your safety. I could definitely understand, her frustration to a degree, but nothing really we could do about that.
Yeah, and with a surgical practice, there's a lot of things that could happen in surgery, and so I'm always very cautious about the patients that I take on. I want to make sure that I'm doing, the right thing for them and that they're doing things for the right reasons and all of that. There are definitely situations where we have to essentially tell people that, hey, it's not going to work out, and essentially just not move forward with the surgery, even if they want to proceed. So this is what happened today, where the patient wants to pay us and proceed with surgery, but we just don't feel that it's the right fit based on the interactions. My practice is built around mutual respect, and when I feel that we're not getting that back, it's a big problem, especially preoperatively, because postoperatively a lot of things can happen. So we need to have good rapport. We need to be able to communicate effortlessly with our patients, and when we don't feel confident in that, it's better to just not continue the process. And so, we let the patient go and gave them back their consult money and all that. We just didn't feel like it was the right thing for us. Keep that in mind. It's just something people don't always realize that they think if they've decided that, hey, I want surgery with this person with this practice that it's just going to happen. You need to be considered a good candidate by that practice, and that goes beyond just the nuances of surgery. It's a personality fit too. And personally, I never tolerate any of my staff members being talked to rudely. I'll almost always honestly side with my team, right? Because I know their qualities, I know how they are. And so if we have patients that are triggering staff members to feel a certain way, to feel upset, to feel unhappy, that's usually a sign. And so I always ask patients to just kind of show that mutual respect. It's really important, at least for me in my practice. It may not be for everybody. So that was the situation that unfolded today. It rarely happens. It's pretty rare, but it comes up. So that's pretty much it. I think we had an early end to the day. It's about 4:10 right now in the late afternoon, and I might go and catch up with my family. They're in Central Park right now, walking around, so maybe I'll go say hi. Practice is just like a block away from the start of the park, so that's a pretty nice perk. It's been a good long week. I worked last Sunday too. I did a hair transplant, so I'm definitely looking forward to some R&R over this long weekend. Leaving the office until Tuesday. This is really early for me. Usually we're leaving the office around like 7:30, 8. We got to do one of these shots, walking out of the front door at the end of the day, at the end of the week. It's got to be done. I'm doing a day in the life video. Antonio, say hi.
Hey, what's up?
Have a great weekend. Yeah, take care. See you. We are walking out. Alright, and just like that, end of the week. I got to the playground where the baby is right now, so I'm gonna go surprise her, and that'll be fun. So let's go do that. See? It's really nice here. Really beautiful day too.
Who's that?
Hi, sweetie.
Who's that?
Hi, boo. Hi, my spoonchick. Can you say hi? I missed you.
I missed you, Mommy. I missed you.
I love you.
I love you, Daddy.
Can I have a kiss? Mwah.
Mommy,
Thank you. It's the best thing ever. Nothing beats it.
Hi.
My eyes can't see you, baby, unless